Hello everyone, my name is Anshul. Do you know how Python, yes, that language which you usually study in your colleges, universities and schools, how that Python language can be used to just structure the real world objects into the self-autonomous vehicles or self-driving vehicles? It is very interesting to look at how we can apply Python to these kind of objects. So if you are curious to see all this stuff, let's go and dive deep into how we can apply this Python into the self-autonomous vehicles. So do you guys know what an ultrasonic sensor is? So now I'm going to play this code, and now this robot will move according to it above 20 kilowatt hertz, which will basically, this is an obstacle. So it will turn, those sound waves will just get, and this robot will get turned. So you can see, I will place my hand and it is getting rotated. Like here, it is getting rotated. So if you guys are basically interested in making such type of self-driving cars and automation vehicles of your own, then you must join the team of our young entrepreneurs and innovators. Thank you.